Guess I'm on a roll today. One of my friends back home in Louisiana insisted I take this Klipsch subwoofer, and I'm very disappointed that this amp is made in China. And apparently, well, I had to really rig this one. Oh God, I had to find the capacitor leaked. That's why it's important to change these things in time. Capacitor leaked. I can't tack on nothing. I can't find the traces. So this capacitor here is in parallel with this capacitor here. So I'm gonna change this capacitor out, and I don't know. I may test the other ones to see, but these are the ones that get the brunt. Uh, that's a 560, 200 volts. And I went a little low on this. This is like supposed to be a, what is it? I put a 150 in here instead of a 160. Damn it! Here, 150 instead of 160, and the voltage is higher than what it. Instead of 200, I got a 450 in here. This may be one of the ones I'm going to use for my Heathkit restoration, but I don't know. I'll see. I'm still going to order 2 new capacitors, at least these 2. All the rest of them are very low value. I may have this in my junk box. But it's working. I just tested it. But really disappointed that this is made in China. Well, the cabinet probably isn't, but the amp is. Let's see. Does it say anything? I'm reading it upside down. It really. I don't know. Anyway, move my finger out the way here. Got this upside down. Here. Made in China. So maybe the cabinet is made in China. Yeah. I'm going to play with it. I'm going to sell it. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway. I don't know. I'm not a subwoofer guy. I'm, good old 2-channel. Yeah, there's my Klipsch heresies over there in the bedroom here. Anyway. Hook this up and play with it. What the hell? Let me play some the 1812 Overture. I don't know. This is really good for audio video setup. The audio setup I have in the family room is 2-channel with some towers with some bass ports. And my God, when Aunt Bea plays Explosions, it's probably as deep as this subwoofer because of the bass port. Quite amazing. Anyway, and put this back together. I'm on a roll. Have a good one.